Hello everyone, this is Teddy Kexet from Forex Trading Unlocked, and we are here for a US dollar Mexican peso Forex market analysis for the week of February the 1st through the 5th, 2021. Real quick, excuse me, we want to put up our disclaimer just to remind you that we are going to just be presenting this for educational and information purposes only. Also, real quick, we want to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Forex Trading Unlocked, as well as check out the book, High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns, which is available on Amazon.com in paperback and Kindle versions. And we are going to be actually going over a couple of these signals. All right, we got our live action screen here. We have the Forex-Trading-Unlocked.com website already pulled up, and we have our workstation page that you can access from the navigation bar. And we pulled up a US dollar Mexican peso chart, and we have some stuff going on here. So what do we have going on here? Well, we have the bullish engulfing line buy signal right there, and it started in the middle of January and sparked a new rally. It made a lower move low on a trending market that has been bearish. And then now, over the past week, we have had broken out to the upside and also gotten into our upside target zone. So I think it's probably going to be a little choppy. I think today what you're seeing is a bit of profit taking in the Forex markets. The U.S. markets, the South and North American markets don't open up for hours yet. We still have the European markets that haven't even opened up yet. So as Asia comes online, I think we have some profit taking going on with the U.S. dollar Mexican peso. On an hourly basis, it's now neutral, but it was in a very bullish way on the hourly basis. On the daily basis, we've been making higher move highs and higher move lows. That is indicative of an uptrend. So since we have hit the target zone, I think that we're going to start to get a little choppy. I would key off of this 20.26 pesos to the dollar and 20.39 pesos to the dollar. This little buffer zone here, I think, is going to contain any real bearish sentiment over the next few days, and expect it to probably make another run for newer move highs. I do believe that 20.79 pesos is about what you're going to see for the any type of really extended move to the upside. Now we have March 21st through April 21st marked here. Why is that? Well, that's kind of like the spring break zone, isn't it? So travel is opening up, and now everything's going to be all mobile and whatever. Everyone's going to be moving around, and everything's all over with coronavirus now for as far as travel and what have you. So I think people, especially the college kids, they're going to be invading Mexico for there's no tomorrow unless there's restrictions as far as traveling to and from Mexico, most likely coming out of Mexico, which I don't foresee coming because I think they want the U.S. people to come in. And I believe that since we've had a bounce in the dollar index, which we will take a look at real quick, one of the reasons the peso, I think, is falling a little bit against the dollar is because, one, it's been rallying against the dollar for months. And as you can see, the dollar index bottomed at the beginning of January. It's making higher move highs and higher move lows. It's looking to break out to the upside. It is under pressure as we speak, starting off the week, but it is Sunday night, and just the Asian markets have only been open for a few hours. A challenge of 90.97 is in our outlook. Only a failure from this 90.03 level in the dollar index would have us bearish and looking to probably get back on the bearish US dollar outlook. Right now, we are looking for a challenge, like I said, of 90.97. Above here, expect more momentum in the currencies to push the dollar index up towards this 91.73 area, with this 92.36 being the extreme. So let's go back to the Mexican peso. So we have the bullish scenario, meaning that for the Mexican economy, that's a good thing, but as far as spring break, but it has to happen first. Right now, with the lack of people traveling down there and a bunch of other issues, the Mexican economy is definitely struggling very hard. So, and with a lot of things that have been closed down, I'm sure that a lot of the people that send money back to Mexico usually are not able to send as much back as they have in the past, especially with the shutdown of all the restaurants across the country. So, and not to stereotype anything, but we know that there's definitely a lot of people that are in that industry that are of the Latinx population, of which a lot of them do send money back to Mexico on a weekly and monthly basis. So with that being said, that also is probably why you're seeing the U.S. dollar get a little bit stronger versus the peso, because dollars are definitely worth more right now. It's until things get back online. However, we did hit our upside target zone, so the trade is off. As far as for the first objective here, I would say that this 20.79 is most likely the extreme of what we will see. Well, I mean, we'll see what happens. It could keep on going for much longer. Now, if the coronavirus actually starts to cause a lot of issues again, then we may see continuation of buying momentum, which will drive this market back up towards 21.5 to 22 pesos to the dollar. However, we are not looking for that to happen in the near future. We're just looking for a little bit of a correction. Remember, like I said, the US dollar peso has been in a free fall for months. So please like and subscribe to our Forex Trading Unlocked YouTube channel. Pass it on to your currency trading friends and other market trading friends. And also check out the book High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns, available on Amazon.com in paperback and Kindle versions, and then you can learn how to trade those bullish engulfing lines that were in the US dollar, or excuse me, the US dollar index, as well as the US dollar Mexican peso. Once again, thank you very much for your time here at forex-trading-unlocked.com. We will see you soon. Always remember to have a trading plan, use discipline, and always know